Hello. Uh, may seem a bit boring, but listen. Hope you learned something. Been doing this education for a while, in bits. So, somewhat. I do waste management, specifically waste recovery. I want to touch on a few topics. First off, what is waste? Well, waste is whatever you think it is. Primarily, most people view waste as something that is of no use to me, and the first inkling, the first thing they want to do is to discard. So, what do we consider as waste? Well, if something is of no use to you, why is it in your possession in the first place? Interesting, right? So, originally, you went for it. But our minds are wired in such a way that we do not consider a lot of things as waste and actually spend to get it. So when you go and buy something at the grocery shop and then you take that polythene, or you needed to carry what you bought, but once you bring what you bought home and you take it out, it becomes waste. Once you take that water and then the empty bottle becomes waste. So let's think about it this way. Originally it wasn't waste. Originally it was something you needed, but after using it, it became waste to you, right? So how about if we look at it for what it is? So usually products have two parts. You have the content, what do you take out of the product, and then you have the packaging, what the product is put into. So these two things, and whenever you go, your main objective is to get the content, but more often than not, you can't get the content without the package. But the package, it helps you carry the content, it protects it, so that is why you get what you want inside the package. So more often than not, we aim to take or use all or most of the content. Our aim is not to discard the content, that's why we are spending the money. But more often than not, we end up discarding some of the content. For example, if you take too much food, you throw some away. But the objective is to make sure you take in all the food you're getting or you're taking. So if we reason along those lines, that means that waste is basically packaging. Now if you start seeing waste in that way, opens up a new world, and it makes you think in a different way whenever you're getting a product. So if you know waste is packaging, and you know that to tackle waste you need to tackle packaging, especially single-use packaging, and then you can then alter your behavior, you can then change your lifestyle. So lesson for today, usually or primarily, waste is packaging, and if you can tackle packaging, you can tackle waste. And if you think of waste as packaging, it determines how you view waste, and determines your conduct, determines how you tackle problem of waste management. It makes you view things in a different light and makes you know how to deal with waste. So that's a lesson for today. I hope we can learn more later. It's a bit longer than I wanted to make it, and not too professional because it's straight from the heart. So take care. Later.